discussing iPhone, because this is what we noticed, Jeros, ang dami ng iPhone, nagpapa-finance. I mean, I think since nag-holiday last year, obviously it's not just the case of Good Deal, but at least in our case, more than half of phones financed are iPhone. In fact, baka hindi more than half, baka more than three-fourths. Where's this coming from?
Okay, so halimbawa na lang ganito, no? Nakita natin that Filipinos consume 9 hours, di ba? And I did also mention that with that, posibleng maraming content creators ang may panganak nito. And my recommendation, I always recommend na if you are a content creator and if you're uploading videos, get an iPhone. And alam mo yun, there's a certain perception that pag naka-iPhone ka, bibigatin ka eh. It's not right, pero sa bansa natin, that's how people see iPhones. Like, feeling nila if you are using an iPhone, big time ka. Kasi ganito, imagine mo, meron kang makitang tropa mo maybe somewhere, maybe not within our circle, pero sa other circles, you would hear this. Gumagamit ng S25 Ultra yung isa, and this random guy is using an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Sasabihin, wow, yayamin na naka-iPhone 14 Pro Max ka. Samantalang sa S25 Ultra, even though it is a much more expensive phone, no one would say na, wow, yayaman na naka-S25 Ultra. Like it or not, it's true. Pwede na lang sabihin na, hindi, wala namang pambili yan. It doesn't matter kung may walang pambili or wala. Pero ang perception ng tao is that when you have an iPhone, especially yung tatlong lenses na iPhone, this one is very iconic. So people will buy it, regardless if they can afford it or not.
Yeah. And they don't even have to tell you they have iPhone. Someone will just ask
don't have to tell it.
Pa-airdrop na lang. But you don't even have to ask them. Magsasabi siya pa-airdrop na lang. Alam mo na kagad na naka-iPhone siya.